What's going on, guys? Ian here with Texas Best Used Motorcycles in Mansfield, Texas. Got an 09 Harley Davidson Ultra Classic I want to show you today. The 96 cubic inch motor. And of course a 6-speed transmission. Nice gloss black, or vivid black, I think is what they call it, with the silver pinstriping. A little accent on the intake. Looks like it's got upgraded floorboards inserts, brake pedal, upgraded highway pegs. Of course, you got the mag front wheel. Paint's good. Looks like a couple minor rock chips on there. Does have an upgraded windshield. Looks like with extra wind deflectors on it. Chrome levers. It's got the radio accent already installed. Chrome accent. Of course, you have your AM FM radio with CD player, along with electronic cruise control. Nice cushy seat for the rider and passenger. Does have saddlebag lid rails on it. Upgraded saddlebag guard lowers. Upgraded slip-ons. Rear tires got plenty of tread. Turn signal visors. It's even got this little tour pack guard for the lights to keep them protected. Upgraded switch housing to chrome with upgraded grips. And it looks like it's even got an Sirius XM radio antenna installed already. That's a nice little feature. These mirrors were added on to the fairing. That's more like a Street Glide than a Ultra Classic. And adjustable wind deflectors off the fairing itself. Passing lamp visors along with turn signal visors. And a headlight visor. So as you can tell, it's got plenty of upgrades. Let's see how many miles. 42,836 miles. Turn that radio down. See what the pipes sound like. The bike did start with no hesitations at all and no smoking. Does sound pretty good. This bike is eligible for our extended warranty program, along with great financing options. If you have any questions on this unit, you can contact our sales team at 817-985-8888, and they'd be willing to tell you, they'd be able to help you out with anything you need to know about this vehicle. Also, if you want to see some pictures of this unit, you can get on our website at TexasBestUsedMotorcycles.com. Whew. Well, this is Ian with Texas Best Used Motorcycles in Mansfield, Texas. Thanks for watching.